What's up, everyone? What's up, everyone? It's your boy Eric Russell coming live today, man. I'm starting this beautiful day off, man. Got a little problems today, but it ain't nothing too major. I got them over here working on my truck, man. Get my truck right. You know, get my truck together so I can start this beautiful day off. I got my man right there. Well, say something. Say, what's up, my friend? My friend. What's up? Yeah, we over here getting the truck together, man. Start my day off. I want you guys, man, to know, man, God is good, man. Everybody take care, peace and love. Get myself together so I can start this beautiful week off. And my nice truck, man. So you guys, man, I always remember, man, to put God first. He would definitely make a way out of no way. Well, they get me together. I can't wait to ride out, man. Can't wait to ride out. So this your boy, man. I'm signing out, man. Everybody take care, peace and love. And I'll see you guys again. This is your boy, Eric Russell, signing out. Yes, sir. Get me up and running this morning. It's time to roll out. Got to get my truck serviced so I can roll out. Everybody take care, peace and love. I'll see you guys again. Peace and love, everyone. God is good all the time.